Caesars Rewards devaluing the program, unfortunately. MGM adding value to the program, adding a new credit card. Caesars, it's time to step up. MGM is really outperforming you.
Get in the game, Caesars.
Yes, let's see a new Caesars credit card that's going to give tier on spend. That'd be great.
That would be great.
Having the land-based and online play mixed with the cruise play is really awesome. It's going to give you extra incentives to cruise, more appeal for the credit card, especially the no annual fee. You not only get the complimentary cruise at Platinum, but now $100 in free play, a mystery welcome amenity, onboard credit, and much more, especially with MGM. Getting a complimentary cruise at Platinum and all these benefits, another cruise at Gold. I hear all these rumors, the status matching non-TM is dead. No, it's not. It's just a little bit more effort to get different credit cards and put spending on them. Now MGM is giving you even more reason to get their credit cards. You were considering getting one of the MGM credit cards. You haven't yet, as you're not near casinos as much. You're not going to Atlantic City and Vegas as much, but now you're looking at doing that more often. Maybe a December MGM credit card application could make sense.
I think that's where I'm at. I did get Diamond Plus Caesars reward status and was able to earn a number of comp nights and, of course, the celebration dinner. Looking forward to using some of that this summer in Atlantic City. We've talked about in the past, my family and a couple of my kids really enjoy the beach. So maybe trying to get down there for a couple of days this summer and let them enjoy the beach, the pool. Now, how about you? How many FNBO cards do you have now, Justin? And what do you expect your approval odds would be to get more?
I have the no annual fee MGM card at the moment. I had the Ford Pass credit card, but I had canceled that because they sent an email saying the card was going to be converted out of that reward structure and they were slashing the benefits. The main appeal was a $200 annual statement credit for spending on the card. So on a no annual fee card, also giving some rewards, getting an extra $200 is appealing with a lot of the spend that we do, the creative spend. Getting an extra rebate at the end of the rainbow on top of the rewards is pretty nice. But I canceled that card. So I only have one card at the moment with FNBO. That positions me to get the iconic, because I think at some point banks are going to say we're only going to issue you a certain amount of credit, a certain amount of cards, as you alluded to, and then recent account opening can interfere with getting a new card with FNBO. I'm spacing my applications by 6 months usually, at least on the personal side. Since I applied for cards in early January, I'll be good for an Aparama at the end of June before I fly out to Amsterdam.